Hey guys, I got something here that I would like to show you. And this is my car bag. I bring it into the car, keep it in the back seat just in case I need it. Which it did come in a lot of uses for me. Oh, forgot about this. Hold on a second. First of all, I got some wire inside this bag that I'm gonna put in. Tissues, that came in a lot of use for me. Runny nose, when I cut myself and stuff. These things I haven't really used yet. Fire making stuff, some old toilet paper and a bunch of dryer lint. Some cotton swabs. I have no idea how to say that, so don't make fun of me or anything. Toilet paper, matches. This didn't come into any use either. I didn't use them yet. I'm only gonna use all this stuff for an emergency. And a Swiss Army knife. They're all inside this first pocket. Oh, except for the tissues. Tissues are in the next pocket. So really in the next pocket is nothing. Just tissues and the fire making stuff. So I just zipper this up. There, zipper done. Then I put this in it. So I just flatten it around so that it fits and doesn't bulge or anything when I close it. Tight Velcro. Got a Velcro thing to put on top. Inside I got a knife. It was a nice knife case. Pretty sharp. I cut myself with it. That's when I used toilet paper. In the car. Yes, I was playing with a knife in a car. It's pretty hard to close. A very, very good flashlight with like 8 LEDs. Some icebreakers, sours, chapstick, little colored pencil, ibuprofen, and Benadryl, which I have been getting a lot of headaches lately, but I haven't been taking them, which I should. Ibuprofens. A black trash bag to keep warm sometime, and baggies. I'll set it, put the stuff in. And so yeah, that's what I have in all those pockets. Got 2 knives and stuff. I'm a knife guy, so I like knives. I collect them. Yeah, I have. If you go to my main channel, FighterFat11, you'll see my whole entire knife collection, but it hasn't been updated yet. Go. I got a snus tin with inside. I got a bunch of AAA batteries because my flashlight takes 3 AAAs and I have like 10 in there. So you never know when I'm gonna have to use that. Oh yeah, and it's inside a liquor bag to keep safe. Oh, yep, got one little thing. A little Gerber pocket knife. Pretty sharp, not the sharpest, best knife. Just breaks stuff. Alright, so yeah, that's what I got in my bag. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my main channel, FighterFat11, and please subscribe to this channel, which I am gonna try to move a lot of my videos over to this channel. Me again, and I say goodbye. Bye.